We go a quick little update on where we're at. Basically, we're replacing everything in the comp primary area, so new chain, Screaming Eagle comp with the Evolution plates. So this is what the clutch kind of looks like after 80,000 miles. Honestly, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I'm just replacing it just because of the mileage. Come out. But there you go, some of the plates. They look kind of weird on camera, but they're actually really clean. For 80,000 miles, I don't know why they look kind of orangey, but they're actually not burnt. But these are the fibers. You can see that they still have quite a bit of life still left in them. I haven't mic'd them, but I'm just replacing everything just because of the mileage. We're gonna replace the bearing back here, the clutch hub bearing. Let's see if I can get this out one-handed here. There's the spring packs. So these are the other ones. They're the two. There's another one stuck in there, but throw that for here. One thing that I kind of noticed is that when I spin this, when it was on the hub, it kind of spun a little weird. So let's see, maybe I can get it back on here. So when I was spinning this, the outer basket was kind of moving kind of weird. So I don't know if it's just the bearing worn out or what, but we're just gonna replace everything just because we're there. And I'll report back if I do see it kind of move kind of weird. The bearing feels fine, doesn't feel like it makes any noise or anything. There's no shavings or burrs on the edges here, which is usually where you get a lot of the wear. The plates chew into the basket and eat it up and destroy it. So I'm not abusive with the clutch, but the bike is making 150 horsepower. As long as you ride it like you own it, you'll be fine. You know, just, you know, be cautious of that. What else? So this is what the tensioner looks like after 70 or actually 80,000 miles. So that's the amount of wear. Kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but that's the wear. And I guess there's a revision. So there's a new part, and these are the Evolutions. So all right, I'll keep you guys posted